Hey, what's up everyone? Nomadic Gaijin here. Today I'm going to be talking about modern Japanese housing by showing you my place. Today we're talking about modern Japanese housing. Now, what do you think of when you think about Japanese housing? I can guess basic image that most people will have. You can imagine that there'd be tatami floors everywhere and sliding doors and shoji screens, and it all encircles this beautiful bonsai garden with a koi pond and giant rocks around that. Well, yeah, there are houses like that still here, but a majority of modern housing more closely resembles housing abroad, except that it's really small, very small. The tate-uri style housing, as far as I know, comes in about 3 varieties. One is custom, where you get to choose everything within that plot of land and make it exactly how you want it, and that's quite pricey. The second one is semi-custom, where you get the building blocks. You've got the amount of spaces set, and what you can do is kind of limited, but you can still arrange the pieces around like a puzzle. And then there's the kind that I live in, which is they just buy it and sell it. So that's going to be the cheapest and easiest, and it's a great starter home. Let's take a look. Okay, here we're going to check out the house. Here we go. Welcome to the entryway, or Genkan. The nice part about this room is the amount of shoe storage space there is, because people don't wear shoes in the house. It just makes sense. Now the back cabinet, that one's really tall and has adjustable shelves. The whole purpose for that is to be able to put boots or other things that you need on a daily basis. We have dogs, so we put a lot of dog stuff in there. The lower cabinet, that's more of our everyday shoe space. The very bottom shelf of that will be for room slippers, if people would like to wear shoes in the house. And the top shelf, that's more for things we don't use on a daily basis. So really whatever you want to put up there totally works. So let's go check out the rest of the house. Gotta take my shoes off first, of course, and here we go. Laundry areas or rooms in Japan are typically pretty small. There's enough space for a sink, towels, toiletries, and usually, if you're lucky, one machine. Because many people in Japan hang their laundry outside, there's only a need for a washing machine. But these days, more modern houses, they have a drying area in the bath area with several settings, so you can dry clothes there, especially on rainy days. And then there's units like this, which are all-in-one washer and dryer. It's really nice. You put clothes in here, and about 3 hours later, the clothes are washed, dried, and somehow static free. I don't really know how it works, but it's amazing, and I absolutely love this device right here. So another thing that's fairly unique is this box right here. It does 2 things. It's an extra bit of storage, and also it's access to the crawl space under the house. Let's check it out. Whew. Luckily we don't have to go here very often. So most Japanese houses or apartments have at least one Japanese room, and in that room you'll have tatami floors, sliding doors, and shoji screens on the windows. Now this room used to have tatami floors, but I took them out and put in carpet. That's a story for another time. Anyways, that's it. Bath time is a special time in Japan, and that's why they put so much good tech into making it the best experience possible. People come in here and they take a shower, and they get all clean, and then they get in the bath. The bath isn't for cleaning, the bath is for relaxing, to unwind, to heat up, all those nice things. It's really important. So the tech here, this little device behind me, and there's another one in the kitchen as well, you can control the bath. You can say, I want to run a bath about this high, and I want it to be this hot, and I want it to stay that way. And it will be done. It's great. Now, Japan is prone to natural disasters. I'm talking earthquakes, tsunamis, giant monsters that sometimes destroy Tokyo, and of course, typhoons. And typhoons is a tricky one, but we got one line of defense here. Open those up, open the door up, and these right here shutters. They keep the sound out a little bit, they keep the light out, and they help so much against typhoons. Now, one feature I've really come to love about Japanese houses are double windows. I'm not talking double pane windows, which we also have. I'm talking 2 sets of windows where you open a window and there's another window right there. Now, the whole purpose of these things is to keep the temperature nice in the room. It also keeps a lot of sound out, and it's just great in general. Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. There's still so many things that I didn't cover that I would be happy to cover in a video in the future if there was interest. Anyways, if you liked it, please hit like. If you want to see more videos about Japan and Japanese culture, food, travel, etc., definitely subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so you get to know when the next video comes out. As always, your eyes in Japan, nomadic Gaijin. Thanks.